esters of phthalic or terephthalic acid, some of which are used to soften, or to use the technical term, plasticize PVC. Now, applications for plasticized PVC can be found in several industries, including healthcare, communications, and automotive. Now, examples of some of these applications include use in wire and cable or medical blood bags. Now, the common misconception is that all phthalates are the same, but this is not the case. Depending on the size of the alcohol that is used to manufacture them, all phthalates are distinct in terms of their properties, their performance, and the way that they interact with the human body. For example, while smaller size phthalates are sometimes used in solvent applications for cosmetics, larger size phthalates tend to be used as PVC plasticizers, for example, for use in vegan leather for automotive applications. The short answer is yes. DIMP and DIDP are two of the most studied chemicals in commerce today. They've been reviewed multiple times by several regulatory agencies over the last 10 years. And examples of some of those regulatory agencies include the European Chemicals Agency, the Australian National Industrial Chemical Notification and Assessment Scheme, NICNAS, the US Consumer Product Safety Commission, the UK Committee on Toxicology, and Health Canada. All these agencies have concluded that DIMP and DIDP pose no human health risks when used as intended, are not classified for any human health effects, and are not considered to be substances of very high concern. That is incorrect. And often the confusion arises from a misunderstanding of existing regulation. With the exception of specific limits in mouthable toys and childcare articles, there are no content limits on the use of DIMP and DIDP in existing applications. And those could include use in vinyl flooring or wall covering, wire and cable, or automotive applications. Contrary to what is often portrayed in the media, phthalates like DIMP and DIDP pose no health concern in food, whether you talk about children or adults. And just to buttress that point, in February of this year, the European Food Safety Authority released a draft safety evaluation of DIMP and DIDP in food. They found that exposure to DIMP and DIDP in the European diet was at least 20 times below the level that has been found to be safe. There is a reason why DIMP and DIDP continue to be the phthalates of choice for many vinyl applications. And that has to do with their strong performance, their durability, their cost effectiveness, and their strong safety record. Now, when you start to think about alternatives, there are several key questions that you need to ask yourself. One, is the alternative safer for humans and the environment? Is the alternative sufficiently compatible with vinyl, or is it likely to leach out under mechanical pressure? Is the alternative equally as resistant to migration? Or is the alternative environmentally more sustainable? Now, these and many more are some of the questions that you need to think about when you start to talk about phthalates and their alternatives, so that you avoid the issue of regrettable substitution down the line. The facts matter. All phthalates are not the same. And just like siblings in the family have distinct personalities, every phthalate in the phthalate family is different and needs to be evaluated on their own merit.